Are you curious about the differences between Fedora 43 and Fedora Silverblue? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll compare these two versions of Fedora and help you decide which one is better for you. Both Fedora 43 and Fedora Silverblue are part of the Fedora family. They are designed for developers and users who want a solid Linux experience, but they approach this goal in different ways. Let's start with Fedora 43. This version is your traditional Linux distribution. It uses the standard package management system. You can install and remove software easily. It's great for users who want a familiar setup and flexibility. You get the latest features and updates regularly. Now, let's look at Fedora Silverblue. This version is more modern and focuses on immutability. That means the core system remains unchanged. You can still add software, but it's done in a containerized way. This makes it very stable and reliable. It's perfect for developers who want a consistent environment. So, what are the key differences? Fedora 43 allows for more customization and traditional software management. In contrast, Silverblue offers a more stable experience with its immutable design. When it comes to features, Fedora 43 has a wide range of software available through its repositories. Silverblue, on the other hand, uses Flatpak for applications, which keeps everything isolated and secure. In terms of pricing, both options are free. You can download and use them without spending a dime. In conclusion, if you prefer a traditional setup with lots of customization, go for Fedora 43. But if you want stability and a modern approach, Fedora Silverblue is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more comparisons.